Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this absolutely beautiful 2023 Acura MDX technology all-wheel drive. If you're in the market for a luxury crossover with third row seating, the Acura MDX is an awesome choice. This beautiful example is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, and it's in pretty much near new condition itself with only 1,404 miles at the time of making this video. It wouldn't take me very long to take a new car and get 1,400 miles on it, so if you like the options and color combination, this might be a great alternative over a brand new one. But the one thing that's different is you're not going to pay that new car price. The technology package is very nicely equipped with features, beautiful perforated leather interior. We have a huge panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. You have a power sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright. We'll leave it open, and it also opens. Might be the first time this sunroof was ever opened. We're halfway through September, but we're still having some beautiful weather. It's a little over 70 degrees out. We have a wireless charging pad right here for your smartphone. We have a controller right here. It's kind of like the tracking pad on a laptop. I believe it also might have haptic feedback. Maybe not. But you can use this to explore and access different menus in the infotainment system. You have this nice pad here, this leather pad or simulated leather pad to rest your palm on while you use it. Very comfortable. We have a 10-speed automatic transmission, fairly easy to use. You have park, reverse, neutral, and then drive in sport mode. Here you have a drive mode selector. Kind of makes a cool sound every time you change drive modes. So you have sport, normal, and comfort, snow. So it's like snow, comfort, normal, and sport. So basically it will make changes to transmission shift points, I think throttle sensitivity, steering effort to change the behavior of the vehicle, depending on what drive mode you have it in. Here we have a USB-C charging. We have heated front seats, dual zone climate control, a nice big screen for the navigation system, parking camera, and it looks like we can also change views as well, making low speed maneuvering a little bit easier. We have a completely digital gauge cluster here with analog style gauges, really nice and easy to read, traffic sign recognition. We have a beautiful leather wrap steering wheel paddle shifter so you can take control of those 10 forward gears. Looks like we have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, beautiful black piano finish throughout, synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard, nice ELS sound system with 12 speakers. You'll really enjoy that. Nice rimless rearview mirror, integrated universal garage door opener, blind spot warning, and this also has a low speed forward collision warning and I think emergency braking as well. Nice Acura all-season floor mats. Beautiful color combination. White is such an easy color to take care of. Look at those LED headlights. This thing's going to have amazing nighttime visibility. Really nice front-end styling. Kind of follows that design theme we see throughout the Acura product line. They make some really nice looking cars. For an engine, we have a 3.5 liter V6. Pumping out 290 horsepower. They've been using this engine for a very long time in Acura and Honda products. It's a fantastic engine. Very reliable, also pretty fuel efficient as well. Beautiful styling. And one of the dividends of being a mid-size crossover is you have nice, spacious accommodations for rear seat passengers. On the second row, very comfortable. We have those rubber floor mats. Can sit 3 across. USB and USB-C connectivity, rear climate control. Then if you hit this button right here, you have your third row access. And the third row seats aren't too bad either as far as space goes. These mid-size crossovers are kind of like the Goldilocks, not too big, like a full-size SUV, and not too small. Those with growing families of kids, they need something a little bit bigger than a compact crossover like the smaller RDX. The MDX is kind of like the perfect size. And then of course we have easy access to the rear seat accommodation. Of course we have a nice cargo space back here. We have these cargo area protectors so you can fold down the third seats fairly flat. The second row seats fold fairly flat as well. So you have this cargo area protector. Oh, I'm not doing this right. So you have this nice cargo area protector to keep things carpeted parts of the seats and seat backs from getting destroyed. And the second row seats fold flat as well. You have a little bit extra storage under here, and those are the original carpeted floor mats still in the plastic, and there's a good amount of storage under here as well. Very nice. And a 12-volt power outlet, grocery hooks. Nice rear end styling, and then front wheel drive is standard on the MDX. Intelligent super handling all-wheel drive is optional. This has a super handling all-wheel drive system. The super handling also helps the vehicle perform a little bit better in the corners. The super handling all-wheel drive system is proprietary technology. We've seen this on Acura products. It's proprietary technology for Acura. We have seen this on Acura products over the years and some Honda products. Like they had the super handling as an option on the one of the versions of the Honda Prelude. So what it does is it's a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system. So let's say this Acura MDX is taking a hard right-hand corner. So what the all-wheel drive system is going to do, it's going to vector power to the outbound wheels, because as this MDX is taking a hard right-hand corner, all the weight's going to shift to the outbound wheels. So those are going to have the most grip. So therefore, they're going to divert most of the power to the outbound wheels, which have the most grip. So this thing just slingshots through the corners. It's not a gimmick. Read some car automotive publications reviews on the MDX with the super handling all-wheel drive system. You'll all see that they definitely think it works and makes a fairly large SUV feel a little bit more nimbler and sportier. So you don't have to sacrifice driving enjoyment. If you're going to get a crossover SUV like this, you can get an MDX with a super handling all-wheel drive system, and it'll still put a smile on your face when you take it through some corners. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.